Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica and this is Simple, Cheap and Easy DIYs. Make sure you watch my last episode after you watch this episode. I'm going to start off by taking this hanging wood plaque that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to turn it over and just gently pop all the sides off, as well as remove the little hanger from the back, and then I'm going to bend it inwards, so kind of like a reverse canvas. Once I have that done, using my hot glue, I'm going to glue it back together on the sides. And it's okay if the glue isn't perfect or shows a little bit because we're going to be covering that up later. And I'm just going to repeat that on all four sides. Once I have it all glued together, this is what it will look like. And to hide the sides and to tie it all together, I'm going to take this jute twine that I got from Dollar Tree, and using my hot glue, I'm going to first take the jute twine and wrap it all the way around the top of our tray. Once I have that in place, then I'm going to take that same jute twine and run that along the sides that we glued together and around the bottom. Now taking a piece of glass from an 8x10 frame that I used in a previous project, I'm going to place that on the inside of the tray. Now you can also place the glass in before you glue it together, which might be a little bit easier. And you'll just be careful and place that on the inside like this. That way it does protect your canvas or your tray. Next, I'm going to take this brown Oxide and the apple barrel paint color, and I'm going to paint the sides just to kind of make it more rustic looking. And once I have that fully painted and it's dry, I'm going to take these brown Jenga blocks or tumbling tower blocks from the Dollar Tree. If you can't find this color, you can always take the wood colored ones and paint them in that brown Oxide paint. And I'm just going to place 2 on each side, and that's what we're going to be using to make the little legs for our serving tray. And this is what it will look like once you have your tumbling tower blocks glued on, and then your project is complete, so you can decorate it however that you would like. And because it does have the glass, it does help protect it if you were to place a drink or something on it as well. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of today's project. Until next time, I hope everyone has a great day.